is up, YouTube? It's your girl KT, and I am back with another video reviewing the Burger King app. And the first thing that pops up on the home screen is a challenge. And with this challenge, the app wants you to do two things. First, go ahead and activate your account by creating an account. Once you've done that, the next step is to use the app to make two purchases. On the front page, the first thing that we have popping up are coupons. Now that you've made it to the end of the page, here are your rewards. And if you scroll down a little bit further, here are recent items that you've ordered. Starting in the bottom left hand corner, you have your 5 different icons: home, menu, my code, offers, and rewards. If you go ahead and click on view rewards, it'll show you all the rewards that you can earn. Going back to the home page to start my order. Before starting your order, you need to fill out your information. After filling out your information, it will take you directly to the menu. For my order example, I'm going to be choosing the Texas Double Whopper. Scrolling a little bit further, you can see the different combo sizes. So depending if you want a small, medium, or large, will depend on your price. Once you've created your combo meal, hit add to bag. So after you've added your item to your cart, now you can hit view cart. So if you want to add any other items, you can go ahead and look at the menu and add more items. If not, hit view cart. Now, when I pull up to my store, I have 3 options for how I want to pick up my food. I have drive-through, pickup, or drive-in. Now, if you scroll down a little bit further, Burger King app has an option for you to add more to your order. If you're satisfied with your order, hit continue. And the final step, of course, is your payment. So once you go ahead and fill out your payment method, you can go ahead and hit continue and pick up your food. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.